Welcome to another video from my company, Dependable Concrete. I'm in the South Philadelphia area of Philly, replacing a walkway and installing a drain. This is a small job. However, it requires my years of technical skills and training. Let's drop in on this project. My client had a contractor to install this concrete pad with a drain around the side of their property. Needless to say, these contractors were amateurs. Not sure what these guys were thinking, but you can see that the PVC pipe for the drain is sitting 2 inches above the concrete. The PVC must be trimmed and a proper drain must be attached. Furthermore, the concrete block is flat, and if a drain cover was properly attached, the water would not properly flow into the drain. So in addition to installing a new drain cover, we also have to demo this square of concrete and replace it with a new concrete block that's pitched to the new drain cover. In this short video, I will demonstrate to you the steps I made to correct this situation. When breaking concrete that's closed in on all sides, it's not as easy as it appears to excavate the concrete. You must follow these simple steps to make it as easy as possible to extract the concrete. Let me illustrate. This is the concrete block. This is the protruding PVC pipe. This is the house. This is the wall, the steps. This is the adjacent walkway. All four of these areas surrounding the block is locking in the block and will prevent the concrete from spreading when breaking the concrete. When cracks spread when breaking concrete, this process makes the excavation process more simple. However, this isn't the case in this job because the cracks in this situation will not spread. You must pulverize. Let me show you how this is done. Again, this is the concrete block, adjacent walkway. Using a jackhammer, you must pulverize 3-inch strips in a T along these dotted lines. This will unlock the concrete and allow you to easily remove the broken debris. I am now pulverizing the concrete into a T. Breaking concrete, you should break it into sizes that are easy to handle. Not too big, not too small. Notice how easy this concrete is coming up since I pulverized it into a T. An electric jackhammer is perfect for a small job like this. The main reason this client hired me for this project was to get this pitch right. It begins with trimming the PVC pipe to the correct height so that the drain is lower than the surrounding walkway, allowing the water to flow into the drain. Let me show you. Again, this is the block. This is the drain. Most importantly, you want to direct the water away from the house. Water in the basement is not a good thing. Then to prevent any puddling or pooling, you want to pitch down from around the perimeter of the block directly towards the drain. Before pouring the concrete, I like to protect the drain from cement splatter. The base is compacted, and now we're pouring and finishing the concrete. I prefer setting my drain depth to 1 inch per foot. We are now at the critical stage of directing the water flow towards the drain. As I mentioned earlier in my drawing, I am building up the concrete along the perimeter of the walkway. This will create a slope away from the edges and towards the drain. The center section of the pad is where the water will collect from the perimeter and flow into the drain. It's also important to level the drain in all directions. Creating a watertight seal around the drain is also very important. If water bypasses the drain, it can cause a leaky basement. Because I also do waterproofing, cracks or holes around the drain cap is many times the culprit to a wet basement. By the way, please visit my channel and click on my waterproofing videos. It's critical to continuously check the pitch. I like to use a screed to shape the concrete around the drain. Because this block is designed to attract water, I am applying a non-slip traction finish. Using a fine brush, sealing the wet concrete against the foundation is another important step to prevent water seepage into the basement. The last and final step is to tidy up the drain. I have several videos on my channel instructing my subscribers on how to do various types of cement work. Become a new subscriber. I am active and anxious to answering any questions regarding my trade. I love my work. I love to share what I know with the community. Visit my channel, and I'm sure you will find a video that will be very useful to you. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you.